Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Suzuki Swift VL, stock reference number 3967. This shape runs from the 12th month 2010 through to the 3rd month 2017. It has a K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and the rear end. We have the right-hand headlight. This vehicle's fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left power door mirror. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light to be checked once removed. We have the parcel shelf. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a manual console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.